हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन भैरव सीए क्लासेस। दोस्तों, आज मैं एक बार फिर हाजिर हूँ करंट अफेयर्स का पिटारा लेके। जैसे कि आप लोग सभी जानते हैं कि रेलवे के एग्जाम का घोषणा हो चुकी है, तो करंट अफेयर्स एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय है जो कि डेली अगर आप रटे या डेली अगर आप देखें तो वो याद होना ही है। तो चलिए ज्यादा ना समय बर्बाद करते हुए आज की करंट अफेयर्स शुरू करते हैं। और जो मेरे इस YouTube चैनल भैरव इन सीए क्लासेस में नए हैं वो जल्द से जल्द मेरे इस YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हाँ, मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें। नंबर 1, India and Japan signed an agreement on reciprocal provision of supplies and services between Armed Forces of India and the Self-Defense Forces of Japan. Number 2, Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog has launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Arise, Atal New India Challenges. This initiative will help identify and promote necessary for MSME sector. Number 3, PM Narendra Modi will dignify launch the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampad Yojana. इसका उद्देश्य क्या है? These schemes aim to enhance fish production 70 lakh tons by 2024 to 25 and double the income of fish farmers. Along with this, PM also launched eGopala application. Number 4, CM of Andhra Pradesh has launched two nutrition schemes named YSR Sampurna Poshan and YSR Sampurna Poshan Plus to provide nutrition food to pregnant women, lactating mothers and children in the state. Number 5, SBI is planning to launch a loan product named Safal for organic cotton growers. इस सफल का मतलब क्या है? Safal means safe and fast agriculture loan is focused on organic cotton growers who don't have any credit history. Number 6, former Lok Sabha MP and Bollywood actor Paresh Rawal have been appointed as the new Chief of National School of Drama by President Ramnath Kovind. Paresh Rawal became the own National Film Award for Best Supporting Actor in 1994. On 8 September 2020, the first World Solar Technology Summit was held by PM of India Narendra Modi. तो इसका उद्देश्य क्या है? Main objective of the summit is to pay attention in art technologies and next generation technologies. In this summit, more than 26,000 participants from 149 nations joined virtually. Number 8, the International Association for Suicide Prevention observed World Suicide Prevention Day on 10th September every year. The theme for the 2020 World Suicide Prevention Day is Working Together to Prevent Suicide. Number 9, the fantasy sports gaming platform Players Sports has announced cricketer Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and Sriti Mandana as its brand ambassador. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is iconic cricketer of young generation and Sriti Mandana herself is a world-class performer and connect beautiful with sports. Number 10, the country's second and South India's first Kishan train was flagged off from Anandpur in Andhra Pradesh to Adas Nagar railway station in Delhi. This train loaded with 14 parcel van will cover of distance 2,150 km in 40 hours. First Kishan Rail start on 7th August from Maharashtra to Danapur of Bihar. It is a weekly train, but later regarding increasing demand made it bi-weekly train. Number 11, it is very important for railway exam. Hubli railway station in Karnataka will now be known as Sri Siddharudha Swamiji railway station. Hubli railway station is under South Western Railway headquarters. Number 12, Union Ministry granted the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act registration to Golden Temple in Amritsar. It will now enable the Golden Temple to receive foreign donations. Number 13, The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter Z was formally inducted into the Indian Air Force on 10th September 2020 at the Air Force Station in Ambala. Chief of Air Staff is Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Number 14. Indian police officer Poonam Khatri has claimed World Championship status after her silver medal at Wushu World Championship last year has been upgraded to gold medal. Number 15. Government of India has constituted an expert committee for making assessment of relief to bank borrowers' waiver of interest on the COVID-19 related moratorium. Number 16. National Skill Development Corporation and LinkedIn have announced a partnership to provide access to free learning resources for digital skill. Number 17. ICICI Bank launched a new product named iStartup 2.0 to cater the banking needs of startups and entrepreneurship. Number 18. Mastercard has launched Central Bank Digital Currencies, a virtual testing environment for central bank to access and explore national digital currencies. Number 19. Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri has launched the Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework 2.0. And the last 20. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has released a notice on compliance functions in banks and the role of chief compliance officer. According to the compliance, bank required a effective culture and independent function at the bank and group level.